Well, good afternoon. This is June the 18th here on Thursday in wonderful Texas. Getting a little hot today. It's supposed to be 92 or 3. And we're sorry that we got the doors open. Probably when I show you these pictures, it might not be the clearest, but I've got the front splash for the 76 C3 Corvette symbol with the air dam all bolted to it, and those brackets that I was working on yesterday made, shaped, and they are a kind of a booger. You guys want to save a few bucks by fabricating like we did instead of buying the whole kit, which is close to about 280, and you don't need all the other miscellaneous sheet metal pieces in good shape. It's going to take you a little finessing, to whip that bracket into shape. Let's get over here and turn the camera around and see if we cannot show you those fabricated pieces and the air dam bolted to the splash new fiberglass piece as well as the O. Okay, here we are at the piece out here on the card table. I'm running a little bit out of room. I've got things scattered. Here is the new fabricated piece that we did, and it goes and bolts in here. And here would be the match. This is the OEM piece here, which gets all acid cleaned and painted and put in. These pieces take lots of abuse from weather, especially for you guys in the salt belt. But this was as far as we know, a Texas car. The bird cage, everything in really good shape on this Corvette, so we was ecstatic with it. And here's the old piece that, of course, it had a lot of abuse and it was broke to pieces. And let's go around here a minute, turn this camera back around. I'm going to go over here to the vet, and we knew it had been some repair on this left side quite significantly, and they had left a lot of filler, and it was epoxy hard filler. Tough little place to get down into. Let's see if we can get you down in here. It's going to be a little hard to see, but you can see that big old blob. Well, it was running in here over the top, and we had to take off almost over a ½ inch. It's structurally sound, but it becomes a booger to work on one of these with a grinder. I had to use an air grinder on that, but we're making some progress today and tomorrow. Saturday we'll be on this Corvette. Was planning on having the dash in already. That'll be happening on Saturday, and carpet will be in on finish up on Saturday, and we'll bring you back up to speed maybe early next week. Still plans for 4th of July to get it out. One note, one of my good subscribers I subscribe to, and he does me, is Mr. Pete 222 Tubal Cane. And it really saddened me to see that he said that was his last video there on Monday. And boy, we're gonna miss you, Pete. You guys that watch his channel, I know you love him. It's time for him to retire, he said, and bless his heart, him and the family, they said they was going to Hawaii. Thumbs up to them. Hope they have a great, wonderful trip. We do hope, Mr. Pete, we see you back and you get lonesome for your subscribers and keep some videos going. God bless, and y'all come back to see us, and we will try to do our best to keep these videos up to speed. Thank you.